Hey, what's up guys? This is Doug from Carson Optical, and today we're going to check out the MM450 Pocket Micro. This is a handheld LED lighted pocket microscope with a range of 20 to 60 power, which means it's going to be versatile and easy to use. There's also some really impressive optics inside that deliver a razor sharp image with minimal distortion. The top ring is for changing the magnification. You can pick anywhere between 20 and 60 power. Underneath that, you have your focus ring. Remember to choose your magnification first and then focus. The LED is placed underneath the lens and spreads an even amount of light across the viewing area, which makes it much easier to see small details. The lenses inside are aspheric, which allow for a noticeably sharper image across the entire viewing area, even at the very edges of the lens. A couple fun things to look at are the hidden things found on currency, like the microprinting. And any type of fabric looks great under this thing. With the lenses in this device, even a thin strand of hair will deliver some pretty impressive results. If you enjoy looking at plant life, or need a microscope that you can travel with, the optical quality inside this is superior to most pocket microscopes out there. My favorite part about the Pocket Micro is that it was actually designed to fit in your pocket. There's nothing bulky about it, it's sleek, portable, and you can use it indoors or outdoors. I'm Doug from Carson, and I'll see you next time.